Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine now. Let's start our second chapter in mathematics, chapter name is addition. In previous class, we studied about addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. So now we will learn about addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. See one example. Add 1234 and 3451. Add these two numbers. First we write in ones column, tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. With the first number 1234, in this number we have how many ones? 4. So write 4 in ones column. How many tens in this number? 3. So write 3 in tens column. How many hundreds? 2. So write 2 in hundreds column. And how many thousands here? 1. So write 1 in thousands column. See the next number 2451. In that number, how many ones we have? 1. So write 1 in ones column. How many tens here? 5. So write 5 in tens column. How many hundreds? 4. So write 4 in hundreds column. And how many thousands here? 3. So write 3 in thousands column. Add these two numbers. For the addition of 4-digit number without regrouping, first we add ones column digit. After that, we add tens column digit. Next, we add hundreds column digit. And finally, we add thousands column digit. First, we add ones column digit. So, add 4 plus 1. What is the answer? 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, add tens column digit. What is the answer? 3 plus 5 is 8. Next, we add hundreds column digits. What is the answer? Hundreds column digit, add hundreds column digit, 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 6. Next we add thousands column digit. So add 1 plus 3. What is the answer? 4. So the total answer is 4685. See one more example for this topic. Add 2051 and 3806. Add these two numbers. First we write ones column, tens column, hundreds column and last thousands column. Give the first number 2051. In this number how many ones we have? 1. So write 1 in ones column. How many tens in this number? 5. So write 5 in tens column. How many hundreds? 0. So write 0 in hundreds column. How many thousands in this number? 2. So write 2 in thousands column. Consider the next number 3806. In this number how many ones we have? 6. So write 6 in ones column. How many tens here? 0. So write 0 in tens column. How many hundreds in this number? 8. So write 8 in hundreds column. How many thousands? 3. So write 3 in thousands column. Next, add these two numbers. First we add ones column digit. After that we add tens column digit. Next we add hundreds column digit. And finally we add thousands column digit. First we add ones column digit. What is the answer? 1 plus 6. Answer is 7. Next we add tens column digit. What is the answer? 5 plus 0. It is 5. Next we add hundreds column digit. What is the answer? 0 plus 8. It is 8. Next we add thousands column digit. Add 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 5. So the total answer is 5857. The numbers that are added are called addends. So these two numbers are called addends. Numbers that are added are called addends. And the result is called sum. So this number is sum. The numbers that are added are called addends. So these two numbers are called addends and the result is called sum. Next topic is addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. See the numbers. Add 1827 and 3456. Add these two numbers. First we write ones column, tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. Consider the first number 1827. In this number, how many ones we have? 7. So write 7 in ones column. Next, how many tens? 2. So write 2 in tens column. How many hundreds here? 8. So write 8 in hundreds column. Next, how many thousands in this first number? 1. So write 1 in thousands column. Consider the second number 2456. In this number, how many ones we have? 6. So write 6 in ones column. How many tens here? 5. So write 5 in tens column. How many hundreds here? 4. So write 4 in hundreds column. How many thousands in this number? 3. So write 3 in thousands column. Add those two numbers. First we add ones column digit. Next we add tens column digit. After that we add hundreds column digit. And finally we add thousands column digit. First we add ones column digit. So add 7 plus 6. What is the answer? 7 plus 6? 13. So we cannot write 13 in ones column because if the sum in a particular place exceeds 9, then a digit is carried over to next higher place. In 13 we have 1 10 and 3 ones. So write 3 in ones column and remaining 1 carried over to next higher place. Okay, remaining 1 carried over to next higher place. That place is tens place. Okay, first write 3 in ones column and remaining 1 carried over to tens column. Okay, next we add tens column digits. So add 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So write 8 in tens column. Next we add hundreds column digits. So add 8 plus 4. What is the answer? 8 plus 4? This is 12. Okay, we cannot write 12 in this column. Only write 2 in hundreds column and remaining 1 carried over to thousands column. That is, if the sum in a particular place exceeds 9, then a digit carried over to next higher place. So write 2 in hundreds place and remaining 1 carried over to thousands place. Next we add thousands column digit. So add 1 plus 1. This is 2. 2 plus 3. This is 5. So total answer is 5283. Next example, add 2647 and 3225. Add those two numbers. First we write ones column, tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. Choose the first number 2647. In this number, how many ones? 7. How many tens? 4. How many hundreds? 6. So write 6 in hundreds column. How many thousands here? 2. So write 2 in thousands column. Next choose the second number 2225. In this number, how many ones we have? 5. So write 5 in ones column. How many tens? 2. How many hundreds in this number? 2. So write 2 in hundreds column. How many thousands here? 3. So write 3 in thousands column. Add these two numbers. First we add ones column digit. What is the answer? 7 plus 5. This is 12. So in 12, 1 10 and we have 2 ones. Okay, so write 2 in ones column and remaining 1 carried over to tens column. Okay, next we add tens column digit. So add 1 plus 4. This is 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 7. Next we add 100 column digit. So add 6 plus 2. What is the answer? 8. Next add thousands column digit. So add 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 5. So total answer is 5872. See one more example for addition of 4-digit numbers with group regrouping. Add 1237, 2435 and 3546. First you write ones column, tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. Choose the first number 1237. In this number how many ones? 7. How many tens? 3. How many hundreds? 2. How many thousands here? 1. So write 1 in thousands column. Choose the second number 2435. In this number how many ones we have? 5. How many tens? 3. How many hundreds? 4. And how many thousands? 2. So write 2 in thousands column. See the next number 2546. In this number how many ones we have? 6. So write 6 in ones column. How many tens here? 4. How many hundreds? 5. And how many thousands in this last number? 3. So write 3 in thousands column. Add these 3 numbers. First we add ones column digits. So add 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. In 18 we have 1 10 and 8 ones. Remember, if the sum in a particular place exceeds 9, then a digit is carried over to next higher place. So we cannot write 18 in ones place and only write 8 in ones place and remaining 1 carried over to next higher place. Here next higher place is tens place, so that remaining 1 carried over to tens place. Okay, next we add tens column digits. Add 1 plus 3. This is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4. This is 11. So in 11 we have 1 10 and 1 ones. So write 1 in tens column, remaining 1 carried over to hundreds column. Okay, next we add hundreds column digit. So add 1 plus 2. This is 3. 3 plus 4. This is 7. 7 plus 5. This is 12. Okay, so in 12 we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay, so write 2 in hundreds column and remaining 1 carried over to thousands column. Okay, next we add thousands column digit. So add 1 plus 1. It is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3. So 7. So the total answer is 7280. Okay.